Hello, and what I have in front of me and what I will be discussing about is the Kettle Brand potato chips backyard barbecue, and that's the flavor. Backyard barbecue, the brand. Gluten free, yes. Non-GMO, yes. Okay, anyway, this is probably like I don't even know. Maybe like my I would say 10th, but it's way more than 10 times that I bought these potato chips. It's that good. Like I literally all you can say is that's it. These chips are really good. The only thing about them is that it can get messy. Like, the product is still like left on your hands, and then if you got nails, oh man, please have a nail brush ready to get that product out. Them spices, yeah, but they're so good. I wouldn't say they're like hard, but they do have they're like, you can tell like they're chips. Like, you have potato chips. I hope I'm making a lot of sense. But there's potato chips like, okay, yeah. But then you got the real potato chips. Like, these are actual chips. Like, I understand why these are chips because they crunch. They got a very bold crunch to them. Yeah, about that. Anyway, I know they have different flavors. I know they have Korean barbecue as well. Now that brand, I was gonna say that brand. Well, I already did. That flavor is, oh my gosh, I never had nothing like that before. It is so good, but I don't think they make them anymore. I'm not sure, but yeah, I had to go back to these. So the Korean barbecue was like the winner, but now I was like, okay, I miss these, because I don't have the. But anyway, they're both good, both barbecue, both like them, and they're better for you as far as like chip wise. Go ahead and just pull one out. So this is what it looks like. It's not really a spicy kick to them, but like I said before, these chips can definitely get very messy, especially if you're eating a lot of them. And the product sometimes is left on it. Oh, you see, look at that. That's small right there. Yeah. Another thing is that what you have to watch out for is sometimes it's not like fully bagged as well. I mean, I don't know, they pack it up a good size, but there's like a gap, and I guess it's just to get the air in there or something. I guess that's what you're supposed to do. But I mean, I don't really have any complaints about this chip. They good. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Okay, see what I mean as far as product? And that's just from one chip. So yeah, if you got nails, you definitely want to like do some cleaning. Have that brush with you. Yeah. So anyway, they're not spicy because I've seen some chips that had like a real kick to it. It really has like a barbecue. It's not like a bowl barbecue, like barbecue where you get it just off the grill and a rib or chicken, whatever. It's like that burnt barbecue type, but it does have a barbecue taste to it. It tastes good with sandwiches, burgers. That's what I normally do. I normally do these with like burger or something like that, or I may have like sweet potato fries. Definitely got to talk about that, and because they'll take it too. Anyway, so these are the chips, and then you can see what it is. Like, no preservatives, it's gluten-free. Yeah, what caught my attention, like this was years back, what caught my attention when I actually got to these chips, I was like, okay, I want some chips, but I want some chips that's gonna be, that's guess, better, quote unquote, for me. Ran into these. Was a little scared at first. I'm talking years back now. Was a little scared at first, but after I tried like 3 of them, I was like, okay. Chips, come on now. You are my friend, my family. Yes. And I absolutely love this brand. I haven't tried the other flavors. They have multiple flavors. I know they have this one, Korean barbecue. I believe they have like bacon, maple bacon, I believe. Himalayan and salt, I believe, or olive oil. I've tried that one too. That one is very, very light. If you're looking for something that's not bold and very light, that one definitely is very, 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 very light. Salt and vinegar, that was the one that I actually tried the very first time, and then I went to barbecue after the salt and vinegar when I bought them twice, and I went to these, bought them so many times. Then tried the Korean barbecue, bought them so many times. Then went back to these, but I tried the Himalayan one in between just to see what it tastes like. But they have, like, I believe, like blue cheese and something like that. But yeah, these chips are really, 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 really good, and they taste fresh. Yeah, that's all I pretty much got to say. These are my to-go chips. Kettle Brand potato chips, and the flavor again is Backyard Barbecue.